Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a new video. In this video we'll be analysing some projects which I believe will do well over the course of this bull cycle that we are in. We are officially in a alt season, so we'll take a look at some projects which I think are a good entry point, and potentially we can look at some good profit positions to take. So first up, please make sure you do hit that like button, that you are subscribed to my channel, and let's crack on. So that image I started off with was the altcoin season index. 73, 75 is the official line for the official alt season. We was at 75 yesterday. We just dropped slightly out of it. Bitcoin has made a little bit of a push up, so it's nothing to worry about that. It will take it out on the altcoins. If you just look here, what is an altcoin season? So it is if 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than BTC over the course of the last 90 days. Very, very, very close. Like I say, yesterday we did it 75, which is the official alt season line. So we are pretty much in it. We're just bobbing in and around that time. What I want to look at though mainly is the Bitcoin dominance chart, because this does give us a good pretty much signal to when it is potentially alt season. If you look, I tell you what, I'll drop onto a weekly time frame. So I've had this laid out for a while on my chart. You might have seen this on my Twitter. So the alt season from 2017, 71%, we dropped all the way down to 35%. And then that would have been a good time to sell all your altcoins into Bitcoin and then ride that wave. What we're looking for here is a pretty much a very similar situation. We have lost this pretty much support level at 62% dominance, and it's just pretty much pondering what to do now. If we do continue to pretty much follow this downtrend, the next support for Bitcoin is 57%. If we do lose that level, you will definitely know about it. I had this area marked up as a retirement zone a few weeks back. It will be. If you are holding alts now and dominance drops down to here, altcoins will absolutely fly. One key thing to note is that Ethereum BTC should lead the charge on alt season. It has done for the past 3 or 4 years. And if you look at this, this is the amount that Ethereum versus BTC has got to push in order to get back to those all-time highs against Bitcoin. So that's 308%. And I do believe that Ethereum will start to push up and lead that alt season very soon. We need Ethereum to pretty much outperform Bitcoin, and we're not quite there yet. I mean, the US dollar pair, we are 2% up, BTC is 3% up, so Bitcoin, it is still king. But altcoins will start popping very soon. We do know there's some massive projects like Theta, One, Chiliz. All three of those projects have popped, and if we just take a look, yesterday I did analyse all three of those projects. If we just took a look at one here on the Tether pair, I did say that the 618 level was a perfect buy. As you can see, it's popped up and absolutely flying. If we just take a look at Engine, I did say to buy at this level. We have gone a little bit lower, but we are pushing up now, so that was another good buy. And then also Chiliz, this one, we're still in the buy zone really. I think Chiliz is a great buy in and around this area. We did hit that 618 pretty much to a T 3 times, then wicks, and then we popped back up. So things are looking good on those 3 pairs that I did analyse. So what I want to do next is take a look at 3 projects which I believe will do very well over the course of this this bull run that we are in and this incoming alt season. We are tinkering on alt season now, but for full-blown alt season we do need some coins to start popping in the top 20. So Zilliqa being the first one. This has done some absolutely massive moves recently. Let's just get rid of that previous TA. Get rid of it also. Yeah, if you just zoom right out onto the weekly, I mean, we're still not even at all-time highs yet. We have been on a monumental rise pretty much from, I mean, let's take the beginning of this move. So say December. From December to now, we've done a 500% move, and we're still not at all-time highs. If we just mark the all-time high mark up there, we've got up to 23 cents. We're currently at 17 cents. I do believe that we will push up there over the course of the next few weeks. And when we do, if we form that area as a nice level of support, it will really give us some good areas to target and start pushing up towards 30, 40 and 50 cent. But what I want to do is just first have a look at this current move. And if you are not invested in this already, now could be a good opportunity. Now we are pretty much consolidating in and around this area. So I want to analyse this move here, and we'll use a Fibonacci from the bottom. So this was 23rd of March, which was yesterday. I want to target some nice buy zones here. So if you're looking for buy zones, the 618 level is king at 16.4 cent. If we don't make that, and we just continue up, the 382 level may come into effect at 17 cent. If you just look at a MACD, the MACD has ticked bullish, and we have had a crossover on the moving averages. So that to me says that the project is going to start pushing on very, very soon, especially on this 4-hour time frame. If we look at the MACD on the daily, it's looking quite bearish there, to be honest. We have had that crossover. It's not quite done a drop. Like I say, it's consolidating within around this range. So any buy zones within those two areas will be a solid purchase, in my opinion. The first major target is breaking through 23 cent. I think if we do break above 23 cent, we will really start to target some nice round numbers, like say 25, 30 and 40 cent. And then 50 cent is the ultimate target over the course of the next 3 to 4 months. We may get there quicker depending how quick alt season comes, but let's just keep his feet on the ground. So that's Zilliqa. If you look at a BTC pair, that is fairly similar as well. Get rid of that previous TA. What we're going to do is analyse this move. If you're looking to buy in, so we'll use a 4-hour time frame. So we'll use this move here, and we'll analyse from bottom to the top. The 618 is down at 302 Satoshi, so if you're looking to buy, you could potentially fill some orders there. And we also have, if I can press the right button, we have 310 Satoshi. So they are two levels that you could potentially place some orders to get in. The BTC pairings on altcoins usually do not as good as the US dollar pairs if BTC is pumping as well. So if BTC starts pumping, these pairs will feel the pressure, and you will feel some orders down here. So that is Zilliqa. Next one is, by the way, these are my top 3 holdings, which I honestly do think that will do very, very well from fundamental analysis and a technical point of view. So Vechain, a next solid project. Let's get rid of that previous TA. So what we're going to do is analyse this move here. If you look at a MACD, it is just about to tick bullish. Potentially we're getting a crossover on the moving averages there. So that could say that we are about to really push on. We are 12% up on today's trading, which is quite a significant amount for a daily move. So buy zones, we have a 382 level at 0.089. I think 9 cent will act as some natural support. So if you're looking to buy, you could potentially place some orders down at 9 cent. But we also have 8.5 cent too. So that is 2 buy zones there. Like I say, the MACD is about to tick bullish, if you can see there. And the, well, it has ticked bullish. If you just look at a last tick there, if that pushes up, that's going to get a crossover moving averages, and this will slingshot up higher. Just take a look at the daily time frame. Yeah, we are still bullish on the MACD too. That daily candle is absolutely a beast. So 12% there you go. Might get a little bit of a selling pressure, get some orders filled and then push on. BTC pairing, very, very similar. What we can do is analyse it on the 4-hour. We'll analyse this. I don't know actually. Yeah, we'll analyse this move here. I know we'll have to zoom in a little bit. Again, the MACD about to tick bullish and a crossover on the moving averages. So that would expect to me that we are going to push potentially tonight. So if you're looking to buy some, then see if you can fill some orders at 161 sats, and also take a look at 156 sats. I think those are 2 key areas for you to buy in. So that's Vechain covered. And finally, one project which I'm massively bullish on is Polkadot. We do know we've had some news about parachains very recently. Parachains will be absolutely massive. To be honest, I think this has been pretty much consolidating. If you go back into the daily time frame, yeah, we are consolidating within around this range. So anywhere from $40 all the way down to 32 has been a nice area to potentially buy. That happened when we was trading down here. I bought all my Polkadot down here between $3 and $5. Massive pump, and now a consolidation. If you look at this area as well, we're consolidated here for a while, so consolidation there for a while, consolidation, pop, consolidation, pop. This consolidation, in my opinion, is going to fly up. First target, $50, and I think $50 will come very, very quick once we do break out of this consolidation zone. You could say we are pretty much range bound at a minute, but if you're looking to buy, let's just analyze this move here. So we'll go from top to bottom. Yeah, I mean, we have done a 78% retracement, so that buying is now obsolete. Let's go into the 1 hour time frame. Might get some better potential buy orders here. So we will analyze this move. So look at that, we have done the 38% retracement, so that is the potential buy. If you're watching this video now, that is the buy zone. If the market does allow, may come down to the 618 level at $34.45. But if you just look at this on the hourly time frame, we are trending down. So what we're looking for is a break up from that. But currently, you should be able to fill some orders at these two levels. And finally, the BTC pairing, looking very, very similar. The BTC pairing has been absolutely wrecked across all alts, to be honest. Let's look at 4 hour. Yeah, that's been savaged against the BTC pairing. So personally, any orders around this level could be good buys. Probably done a, yeah, we're coming down towards a 78% retracement. So if you're looking for buys, that could be the level there. 61,941 satoshis. Get in quick though, because this histogram is looking bearish, but the chances of us ticking bullish soon are quite high. And the same for the MACD on the tether pair, that is about to tick bullish. So now could be a good time to get into these three projects before the market does really start to push. We are still waiting for full blown alt season. We're in a bull cycle now and coins are popping all over, but it's still not a major alt season yet. So we just need to buy when we can, dollar cost average, and hodl for dear life, because things are going to start to get very tasty soon. So that will do it for today's video. So please, if you have any questions, then drop them in the comments. Hit that like button, and if you are not already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and we'll catch you next time.